Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So these are some fishing lures. I do have a pond on my property and we love to go fishing. So I want to go ahead and try these out and see how they work. So this is a pretty good tackle box that it comes with. And it comes with a bunch of different ones to choose from. I love the treble hooks like this because it works really well for a lot of different baits. And then we also do have just the single hooks. I got my finger. As well, that are just like this. You can see it comes with a bunch of different colors, a bunch of different kinds, which is awesome. In different sizes, and you can see, and these are all like really bright and colorful, which is going to be perfect to catch the fish's eyes. I love these ones too. If you really want to catch like smaller fish, this one's going to be great because it has a hook from every side, and then that one as well. Some bigger ones like that. These things are going to be awesome. You can see. But let's go ahead and see how they work. What would you get?
It's waving. See.
Okay, let him go. He's too small. Good job. So you guys having fun today?
Yeah.
You having fun, Elisha?
Yeah.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.